Hello guys, welcome to our first video. So we're going to create something like this. No, I'm just joking. We're going to create something like this.
This is what I added. Revita Pro Pure Moringa.
So this is how I did it. So let's go to ChatGPT. So let's say you already have this image with your product in it. So what you will do now is ask ChatGPT to create an animation frame for this bottle. So ChatGPT already analyzed the frame and your prompt, and it's created its own prompt. And then I just replied just the bottle because I just want to make sure that the image that it will generate will just be the bottle animation. Then finally, it has created this image. So I uploaded this image and this image to Elevenlabs. So if we go to Elevenlabs, there's start frame and end frame. So start frame basically means it's where you want the animation to begin, and end frame means how you want the ending animation to look like. For example, we upload this image as a start frame or the beginning of the animation, and then we upload this frame, this bottle animation effect, as the end frame. And then my prompt is this: create a cool rotation transition. Make sure that it's 9:16 and the model is Kling 2.5. Okay. And then we just click on generate. Okay. And it has created this video. It looks good, but for me it's awkward. So what I did is I edited this video in Premiere Pro. So I just did some speed ramping like this.
I added Revita Pro Pure. What I added Revita Pro Pure Moringa.
Okay. So if you want to know how I created this whole AI UGC ad, you can just watch till the end of this video. But if you just watch this video to know how I did this AI animation, then yeah, here it is. Actually, I'm gonna show you how to create an AI UGC ad from scratch. And we're going to use ChatGPT, Elevenlabs, and Flow VO 3.1 Fast. But actually, you can just create everything with ChatGPT and Elevenlabs, because Elevenlabs has now this feature called image to video. It has a lot of AI models right here. It has Kling 3.0. It has mostly everything you need, because before I'm just using Google's Flow VO 3.1 Fast, and I mean, it's great, but what I don't like about this is it has watermark here. So usually whenever I'm done generating it and downloading it, I still have to manually crop this out. So I have to scale this up to remove this watermark right here, and you know, it's such a hassle for me. So I'm going to show you this ad that I've created.
Lately, I've been waking up feeling fine, then by midday, I crash. Low energy, low motivation, and I just feel off. So I wanted something simple to support my daily routine without changing everything. This is what I added Revita Pro Pure Moringa. Moringa is known as a complete green superfood, and I like it because it feels like an easy way to add something green into my day. It's capsules, so there's no prep. I take it with water while I'm making breakfast.
If you've been feeling that same low energy dip and you want a simple habit to support your routine, this is an easy one to try. Revita Pro Pure Moringa.
Okay, so everything that you see here is AI generated. So I just edited everything using Premiere Pro. So this is AI generated. This one is AI generated as well. This one as well. So everything, mostly everything is AI generated. The only thing that's not AI generated is this B-roll right here. I just grabbed this from YouTube, but this guy and this woman is AI generated. This one as well. Even the talking head is AI generated. So this is a step-by-step overview of how I did it. So first step is you need to create different chats in ChatGPT. So I have here open the branding chat, the copywriting chat, the image request creation chat, and the animator chat. Because AI can be easily confused, like they're still not perfect up to this day, and it's still better to be organized this way, like creating each chat for different purposes. So I just created the snapshots because my actual chat box with ChatGPT is really long. I mean, I've done this for like 3 to 4 hours, but still it's very long, especially in the image creation chat because, as what I've mentioned earlier, AI has limitations and sometimes they couldn't create a precise image that you want for a product scene. So that's why my chat is very long. So I just created this snapshots in this document just to give you an overview of how I did it. Okay, so for step 2 is we're going to gather references so that ChatGPT could understand how we wanted the scenes to look like. Okay, so we gather references on TikTok, IG Reels, Pinterest. For today's video, we're going to use a supplement product because in my experience, it's very hard to find product videos for like actual product videos online for, you know, custom supplement brands. Before, without AI, it's really hard to create a UGC ad for a supplement product without sourcing influencers online. So we're going to create a sample UGC ad for this Moringa product. If we go to TikTok, we're going to search for Moringa supplement and you just take a snapshot for those UGC ad that looks natural. So I did that here. So I just took snapshots of different influencers that looks natural and I upload them to ChatGPT. So this is my prompt. It's very simple. I'm going to give you references for what you need to do, but don't create images just yet. I have a separate final prompt for this and yeah, I can just give it to you for free. This is its response. Just send the references whenever I'm ready. So first I uploaded my mock-up bottle design. So here's my product and then I uploaded this product video scenes references and yeah, it automatically just analyzes the scenes for my product and it created scenes just like this. Also for the branding part, so it says here that we should just find inspiring mock-up bottle designs online and change them with your brand's name. So that's what I did. So for example, I searched for Moringa supplement in Google. So just choose your design here, just take a snapshot and upload it to your branding chat. So this is just my prompt. It's very simple because most of the time ChatGPT doesn't follow your initial prompt. So the initial prompt and the final prompt doesn't make that much of a difference because ChatGPT messes up most of the time, especially when you've generated lots of images in your chat. So yeah, they messed up, not sometimes, but most of the time. So going back, I've uploaded this mock-up design inspiration. So of course, I'm not going to use this logo. So I just instructed ChatGPT to like replace it with my brand name right here. So yeah, it did that. Replace the brand name and this looks good to me. So I'm just gonna share this chat thread with you so that you can easily follow along. But yeah, this is how I did it. So step 3 is we're going to generate sample UGC actress in ChatGPT image creation chat. So this is our chat for that. So as what you can see here, we've uploaded our product video references. So yeah, it has analyzed the references and it automatically created scenes for that. So all I have to do is to type generate scene 1, scene 2, and so on. So I first generated scene 1 to create our own AI model. So this looks good to me and this looks good to me, but I end up choosing this one. So we're going to upload this image and our mock-up bottle design to our copywriting chat. So this is our copywriting chat right here. So this is my initial prompt. Create a Moringa supplement script using these references. ChatGPT is really smart and it has created this trending UGC script for, you know, our product. So this is the final script that we've created. This looks good to me. So I'll be basing the scenes that I'm going to create using the script, as you can see right here in this overview. So I just copied the first line of the script right here, and this is the scenes that I've generated for this line. So as you can see right here, so these are the scenes for line 1.
Lately, I've been waking up feeling fine, then by midday, I crash. Low energy.
Okay, and this is line 2. So I wanted something simple to support my daily routine. And this is line 3. This is what I added. Revita Pro Pure Moringa. So
Added. Revita Pro.
okay. So for this, I just search for Moringa videos on YouTube just for this B-roll alone. So this is not AI generated, but this and this one is AI generated. So for these scenes, I used Sora 2 AI model through Elevenlabs because Sora 2 is very popular in creating natural looking UGC videos. As you can see right here, they really don't look AI to me. So I've created these scenes as well. And for the last line, I've created these scenes. So as you can see right here, for this last part,
If you've been feeling that same low energy dip and you want a simple habit,
it really looks and sound so natural that the audio sounds really cheap. I intended to use this part because this is what makes a UGC ad effective if we mix it with some natural looking UGC videos. So that's it. Next step is we're going to animate scenes using Flow VO 3.1 and Elevenlabs. So what I did right here is we animated this first scene, this first talking head scene using VO 3.1.
Lately, I've been waking up
because VO 3.1 is really good in terms of creating natural looking, natural sounding talking heads.
up feeling fine.
So yeah, this is scene 1. And I used her voice as our main voiceover all throughout the video. So I cloned her voice using Elevenlabs. So as you can see right here, if we go to voices, let's just click create voice right here. Most of the time, this feature is really accurate. That's why I couldn't get rid of Elevenlabs, because they're really useful. And I just discovered this image and video AI feature just last week, and I'm really surprised and really happy about it, because as you can see right here, I'm currently subscribed to this creator plan. It's $22 per month, and with these features, with this text-to-speech features and image and video AI generation, you're getting the most out of your subscription right here. For $22 per month, it's all worth it. So going back, to create or to clone her voice, we use this feature called Instant Voice Clone, and we just upload the voice of our generated influencer. So during the cloning process, you can remove the background noise for audio recordings, but I chose not to, because for the AI UGC voiceover to sound really natural, so I unchecked this feature to keep the background noise on. So I've named it Moringa AI Influencer, and I just typed here a young woman influencer, and then I just checked this, I agree, I hereby confirm, and click on save voice. So I'm not gonna do that because I've already created one. So let's go back, and this is our AI voice. As you can see, it's already here, our Moringa AI Influencer 1. So since the first video that we've generated already has a voice, as you can see right here, actually this is my prompt. So I used the animator chat in ChatGPT to make this woman say this first line. So this is the final prompt. As you can see, this is her dialogue. So as you can see right here, I've uploaded the image, and then I copy pasted the prompt right here. Yeah, this is what it generated. So we've used this video as our talking head and as our first line right here. So what I did was I went to Elevenlabs and generated the rest of the voiceovers from the script. So what we're going to do now is we're going to animate using Elevenlabs for the scenes. So for the scenes right here, I used Flow VO 3.1 Fast to animate them. So I uploaded this image and this image as start and end frame, just to make the animation more precise, because if we just let VO 3.1 to create the scenes, sometimes it messes up and we don't want to waste our credits for that. So it's best if we have a start frame and an end frame. So for example, so this is the start of the animation. Like in the first frame, this lady is going to pick up the bottle from the medicine cabinet, and in the last frame she's looking at it. And usually this start frame and end frame is used in creating cool animations just like this. So this is the start frame and this is the last frame, and this is what it has created. So as you can see in the very last frame, this is how we wanted the animation to end, and this is the start frame. This is how we want the animation to begin. So as you can see right here, it's too slow and it looks awkward. So what I did is I just edited everything using Premiere Pro. So I just used a simple speed ramp for this, and I added some light leaks overlay. So this is how it looks like
This
now.
is what I added. Revita Pro Pure Moringa.
Okay, so basically that's the concept of start and end frame. So for this start frame and end frame, I just used this simple prompt, create a cool rotation transition. So this is what it did. So first, I animated everything using the prompts from this animator chat. So I just uploaded the photo that it has created here in this image creation chat, and I just asked it to create VO3 prompts, Kling 3.0 prompts for these images. So for natural looking B-rolls or problem videos, you can generate using Sora 2. For cool start and end frame animations, just use Kling 2.5 and Kling 3.0. Also, for natural looking product scenes, you can also use Veo 3.1 Fast. After you're satisfied with the outputs, you can just download them and arrange the assets just like this. So you should have a separate folder for each asset, such as AI audios, AI image assets, AI video assets, B-roll, graphic assets, music assets, and sound effects. So after you've gathered everything, just upload them in your editing software. So I'm using Premiere Pro. So you just put everything right here. I'll be uploading a separate video editing tutorial for this, or you can download this project files and assets. And if you have any questions, you can just leave a comment, or you can just go to my Discord channel right here, and yeah, I offer free consultations there. So my next video would all about me creating icons using AI, creating your own custom animated icons using AI, and maybe after that I'll be uploading a video editing tutorial, a quick video editing tutorial and stuff like that. But again, you can reach out to me in Discord for a free consultation. And yeah, thank you for watching. So please do like and subscribe if this video helps you. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.